Rocky Point, Mexico, at the old fishing village, or I should say the downtown area. If you notice, we're right next to the ocean, and so contingency is right here on the ocean. I really like, you know, going south of the border. The rules are not as stringent. My team can use any approach. As far as logistics wise, you can pit almost anywhere. And so I really enjoy that portion of coming to Mexico, the freedom of being able to not do anything, but do anything within reason, I'd say.
Which is a boat that my uncle owns, and it's not finished, but we've been checking it out and it's pretty cool. I watched this boat from the first panel that got put on to its current state, so I've kind of seen it go from a skeleton to what it is today, and it's pretty cool. Can't wait till it's finished.
I was actually thinking of some of the strategy last night. Thinking we're start right behind one guy who was the champion last year. And so I think I'm gonna get up on his ass and just stay there for a minute and see if I can push him really hard, and then eventually he'll land in a ditch.
So we have a secret weapon. So I grew up in Rocky Point, and I'm Mexican, born in Mexico, and we're in Mexico. So I'm gonna say we have an agreement with the land, and the land's gonna let us win since I'm from here. Success. It's born and raised in Mexico. We're on Mexican land, so the gringos had no chance.
Justin, 977.
Just a little bit shorter.
There he is.
Did you just call me short?
Well, they put me up to it.
It's okay. That's why they call me Chapo.
So I want to thank Can-Am and Lone Star for making an amazing car. I had a great time, but more importantly, I want to thank my team and the guys that come out here. They're really what make this race fun, and I love coming down to Mexico because it's just an amazing time to come down here, have fun. I love the tacos too, by the way. I'm amazed. Every tacos for breakfast, tacos for lunch, and tacos for dinner. That's my favorite thing. So a shout out to the people who help us get here and help us get to the finish line. Thank you so much for being here. And thanks for SADR for putting on an amazing race.